Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into creating a capsule wardrobe in Notion, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, we're going to create a new page in Notion. Click on the New Page button and title it Capsule Wardrobe. This is your launching pad, the place where you'll manage and visualize your outfits. By keeping everything in one place, you simplify decision-making and save time. Now that we've done that, let's create sections for different clothing categories like tops, bottoms, shoes, and accessories. You can do this by adding headers using the slash command. This helps us because it allows for a clear organization and easy navigation through your wardrobe. Next up, we're going to populate our categories. Add a new table under each header and list your items. Include columns for color, season, and style. The reason we do this is to have a bird's eye view of our wardrobe and ensure we have a versatile mix of items for different occasions and weather. Now let's add images for each item. Click on the cell next to the item, select Image, and upload a photo. This visual component not only makes your page more appealing, but also helps you style outfits much easier. Let me explain why this matters. When you can see your entire wardrobe, you can create combinations you might not have thought of before. Finally, once you've completed your list, you can start creating outfit combinations. Make a new section labeled Outfits, then use the drag and drop feature to move items into this section and form your outfits. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By curating outfits in advance, you're streamlining your morning routine and reducing decision fatigue. And there you have it, your very own capsule wardrobe in Notion. Remember, this is a continuous process. As your style evolves, so should your Notion wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy wardrobe planning.